Every single animal on planet Earth eats its food raw. Lions, wolves, apes, they all tear into their meals straight from nature. But humans? We put our food over fire, bake it, boil it, and roast it. That single habit, cooking our food, changed everything. It didn't just make our meals taste better, it literally built our brains, shrank our guts, and allowed modern civilization to exist.
If humanity never discovered how to harness fire and cook, you wouldn't be watching this video right now. So, how did our ancestors make the revolutionary leap from eating raw flesh to gathering around the hearth? Let's find out.
To understand how cooking started, we have to travel back hundreds of thousands of years. Long before humans mastered fire-starting techniques, nature was already doing the cooking for us. Imagine an early hominid, perhaps Homo erectus, walking through a landscape scorched by lightning or a volcanic eruption. Among the ashes lies the carcass of an animal killed by the blaze.
Hesitantly, our ancestor takes a bite. It's tender, it's savory, it's infinitely easier to chew than raw, tough muscle, and it doesn't rot as fast. That first accidental barbecue changed human history forever. At first, humans didn't know how to make fire. They simply learned how to capture it and keep it burning. They guarded embers like precious treasure, realizing that placing meat near the flames turned a grueling hour-long chew into an effortless meal.
Why was cooking such a biological game changer? It comes down to chemistry. Raw meat and wild roots require an immense amount of energy to digest. Animals like chimpanzees spend up to 6 hours a day just chewing tough, fibrous plants. Their jaws are massive, and their digestive tracts are enormous to process all those raw calories. Cooking is essentially external digestion. Heat breaks down tough collagen and denatures proteins before they enter our bodies. When we cook food, our bodies spend far less metabolic energy chewing and breaking it down. This means every bite of cooked food delivers significantly more net calories than a raw bite. And where did all those extra calories and freed up energy go? Straight to our brains. The human brain is a massive energy hog. It consumes about 20% of our daily calories. Without cooking, our bodies simply wouldn't have had the fuel budget to power such a massive, complex organ. As our brains grew larger because of cooked food, another part of our anatomy shrank: our digestive system. Raw food eaters need long, heavy intestines to process tough fibers and kill off dangerous bacteria found in raw meat. But once fire pre-digested our meals, we no longer needed giant bellies. Our guts shortened, our teeth became smaller, and our jaw muscles weakened. This evolutionary trade-off was brilliant. We traded a heavy, energy-draining digestive tract for a lightweight body and a hyper-powered brain.
Furthermore, the hearth became the original social hub. Eating cooked food was faster, meaning humans didn't have to spend all day foraging and chewing. They suddenly had free time. Nighttime illumination from the fire extended the waking day, giving humans hours to bond, tell stories, plan hunts, and pass down knowledge. Cooking didn't just build our bodies, it built human culture, language, and community.
As millennia passed, our mastery of cooking evolved from simple open-fire roasting to pottery, baking, boiling, and stewing. Boiling food in water was a massive breakthrough. It allowed humans to extract fats and nutrients from bones and tough seeds that would have otherwise been wasted, creating nutrient-dense stews and broths. This nutritional security allowed human populations to grow, settle down, and eventually build civilizations. Every kitchen, every stove, and every meal we prepare today is a direct inheritance from those ancient ancestors who first dared to toss meat over a flame. Cooking wasn't just a culinary choice.
It was the spark that created humanity. It shrank our guts, fueled our brains, and brought us together around the hearth. If you enjoyed discovering the science behind our daily habits, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment below with your favorite cooked meal, and I'll see you in the next video.